press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hey friends, this is Ashok Riwal. I welcome you all in today's class. Friends, today we are going to discuss the 6th chapter of your Beehive 9th class. So, in your 9th class, this is 6th chapter. The chapter name is My Childhood. My Childhood. So, in this chapter, in this video, we'll discuss about the difficult word meanings, we'll discuss about the summary, we'll discuss about the message, and no doubt we'll discuss all the important points. Okay, so stay tuned with the video. Without wasting much time, let's start the chapter. Here, My Childhood, as I told, My Childhood is one of the best story, and this is taken from Abdul Kalam's autobiography. Dear students, let me tell you, there is a difference in autobiography and biography. What is the difference? Autobiography is written by oneself. जब हम खुद लिखते हैं अपने बारे में, that is known as autobiography. And when we write something or about one's life for others, actually, that is known as biography. Suppose I write something about you, that is biography, and I write something about me, that is the autobiography. So this story, My Childhood, is taken from Abdul Kalam's biography from Wings of Fire. Is it clear? It is taken from Wings of Fire. So he speaks here in this about his childhood. He tells here about the theme of harmony, traditions, changes and prejudice. है ना, वो सारी चीज़ें हम लोग इसमें डिस्कस करेंगे. When we talk about the message of the story, so it gives a wonderful message. The story conveys the message of communal harmony. Means जो एक सोसाइटी में एक communal means community wise अलग अलग लोग रहते हैं, अलग अलग कास्ट के, अलग अलग रिलीजन के लोग रहते हैं. सो इट सेज दैट वी मस्ट बी इन अ कम्युनल हार्मनी. हमें शांति से, पीस से रहना चाहिए. इट ऑल्सो एक्वेंट्स अस विद द चाइल्डहुड ऑफ वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट साइंटिस्ट ऑफ अवर टाइम. एंड इट ऑल्सो ब्रिंग्स फॉर द फैक्ट दैट ग्रेटनेस इज अचीव थ्रू हार्ड वर्क एंड डेडिकेशंस. ऑब्वियसली वेरी राइट. विंग्स ऑफ फायर इज़ फुल ऑफ मोटिवेशन. इट टेल्स हियर कि कैसे एक आम बच्चा, एक सिंपल से परिवार का बच्चा टॉप मोस्ट साइंटिस्ट बन सकता है और इवन इंडिया का प्रेसिडेंट भी बन सकता है. सो दिस इज़ द मैसेज कन्वेड बाय विंग्स ऑफ फायर, रिटन बाय APJ अब्दुल कलाम, माई चाइल्डहुड. सो लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स द वर्ड मीनिंग्स. My dear students, this is going to be very helpful for all of you because it has the wonderful word meanings and all the difficult words that we are going to discuss. Because जब हम टेक्स्ट पढ़ते हैं तो टेक्स्ट के दौरान ये हमारी बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करते हैं, दिस वर्ड मीनिंग्स. लेट्स मूव. स्टेट्समैन. स्टेट्समैन मीन्स हियर एक्सपीरियंस एंड रिस्पेक्टेड पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स. जो स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं, इनके पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स होते हैं एक्सपीरियंस्ड. फॉर दैम वी यूज़ erstwhile means former. Innate means inborn. Inborn means a quality, one's nature. Helpmate means your husband and wife. Recall means remember, याद करना. Exact means definite, बिल्कुल वही. Undistinguished. Undistinguished means not special. Distinguished means distinguished guest, special guest. Undistinguished means not special. Ancestral. Ancestral means of forefathers, अपने पूर्वजों से. Austere. AUSTERE. Plain and simple. Austere means here plain and simple. Inessential. Essential means important, और in अगर हम उसके आगे प्रीफिक्स लगा देते हैं, that is unimportant, right? Comforts, facilities, comfortable zone that we call facilities. Necessities means requirements, requirement जो ज़रूरी चीज़ें हैं. Next one is secure, means here safe. Materially. So materially means here in terms of physical requirements, right? Physical requirements, materially. Erupted, rose sharply means erupted एकदम से किसी चीज़ के प्राइस बढ़ जाना. Provision shops, ग्रोसरी शॉप, जो भी प्रोविजनल जनरल स्टोर्स वगैरह होते हैं ना, that is grocery shop. And pricely sum means good amount. Okay. The next one is here emergency means crisis, problems. Casualties means mishap, disaster or kind of death. Suspension means conditions of being suspended, suspend करना है ना. Filing the slot means fitted here, किसी स्लॉट को भरना. सर्च अ पावरफुल रश ऑफ इमोशंस, भावनाओं का एकदम से उबाल आना. Characteristics means here typical features, means everybody has the specific characteristics. तो यहाँ पे typical features होते हैं किसी के. Specific means here precise and clear. Specific means particular. Environment means here atmosphere. Orthodox means here conservative. High priest, head of the temple. High priest means here head of the temple. Pilgrimage, pilgrims actually. Pilgrims होते तीर्थ यात्री, right? Persons visiting holy places, pilgrims. And जो तीर्थ यात्रा पर जाने वाला होता है that is known as pilgrimage. यानी okay. Catering, providing food and drinks. Catering का business that is known, food and drinks. Site, place, venue. Elementary means here elementary schools, primary schools, basic. And could not means unable to tolerate. Next one is here, that is summoned means sent for, बुलाना किसी को. Communal, as I told, sectarian, relating to the religion, किसी particular religion से जुड़ा हुआ. Bluntly means uncompromisingly, जो compromise ना करे. Apologize, APOLOGISE. Students, we call it apologize, right? It is not apologize, it is apologize, means beg pardon, feel sorry, क्षमा मांगना. Conviction means firm belief, a strong opinion. Conviction. Ultimately means finally. Ultimately I came to school. Finally मैं school में आया, तो it is finally. Reform means improved. Rigid means harsh, कठोर. Segregation means separation. Segregate करना, बांटना, अलग अलग करना. Conservative means here orthodox. Rebel means here revolutionary, क्रांतिकारी that we call, right? Mingle means mingle होना, mix. On par means equal, and horrified means much frightened. Let's move toward the next words. So up to this priceless sum is good amount. यहाँ तक हम लोग कर चुके हैं, है ना? Up to this we have done. So move towards the next. Anna, an old Indian coin. Anna that we call, है ना? एक आना, दो आना. So that is was equal to 1/16 of 1 rupee. एक रुपये अगर 16 भाग, that is known as आना, है ना? 6 पैसे. Isolated, cut off, separated. Forced, compelled, मजबूर करना किसी को. Allied forces means armies of Britain, USA, France, USSR, China, etc. Who allied together in World War II. Means एक गुट बनाकर उन्होंने सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर में लड़ाई की थी. Could not, unable to tolerate. Could not stomach means here unable to tolerate. Next one is accordance. Accordance means according to. Ranking means position. Utterly means here completely, पूरी तरह से. Downcast means here disappointed and sad. Respective means belonging separately to each or two or more people. Respectively means separately. The next one is here ritually. Ritually means here ceremonies. Perturbed, right? Perturbed means here disturbed greatly. Confronted means faced, आमने सामने आना. Imminent, imminent means about to happen in near future. Imminent जो near future में होने वाला हो. Unprecedented, unprecedented, a never before or new hopefulness, एक नई उम्मीद, new before जो नया हो बिल्कुल. And optimism here hopefulness, and longing means here intense desire, the बहुत ज़्यादा जो इच्छा होना, that is known as longing. So this is all the word meanings of the chapter. These are the difficult word meanings, and the stories I told conveys about the childhood of APJ Abdul Kalam. The complete summary we will discuss in the next video in Hindi and in English. I'm sure these word meanings will be helpful when you read these words, watch this video, and when you read this video, it will be helpful for you for the text. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, bye bye.